well. Please tell us which lip brand you use. Many. You guys keep asking me the lipstick shade that I use, but it's mostly just like whatever is available, like whatever I get first. Not even kidding. I don't put too much thought into आज क्या लगाऊं, कल क्या लगाऊं, ये brand लगाऊं, ये color लगाऊं. Whatever I get. Yeah, because in my hair I don't understand colors. ये t-shirt के साथ ये अच्छा लगेगा, वो t-shirt के साथ वो. I just put anything I get, to be honest. If you have to choose between food and relationship, what would you choose? I would choose a relationship with food. But if you're asking me like between like my future boyfriend and like food, I would choose food. No second thought about it. Like no. Hi Manav. Hi Ayushi. Thank you. What Ayush? Oh, you guys will come to know about it soon. I shot for a hair ad. Quite cool. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but in my hair I think it was pretty good. So yeah. Can you speak Gujarati? मैंने गुजराती सरस रीते आवड़े છે और ये झूठ है. मुझे सरस रीते નથી આવડે છે. મને થોડું આવડે છે. મને બધું સમજ આવે છે. અને મને ગુજરાતી આઈટમ ખાવાનું બહુ ગમે છે. ઢોકળા, ફાફડા, જલેબી, ઊંધિયો. ઢોકળા તો બોલ दिया ना मैंने. हाँ, everything. And I understand Gujarati very well, पर बोलने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. But I love, Gujarati is a very like cute language. Like every time I hear Gujarati, it just feels like, oh my god, like I don't know, there's just something about Gujarati which just makes me feel like very like family. Although my family is not Gujarati, but still, because my mama, mommy and my nani are in Gujarat, and I've visited them all my life since my childhood, so they pretty much talk in Gujarati, and my cousin brother also. So that's why I've always understood it, but I've not been there so much to like thoroughly understand it. But the point being, I really enjoy Gujarati. Yeah, I think if this is why I need to shut up. Someone just asked me one question and I'm just like giving an essay on Gujarati. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Where are you currently residing? I'm residing in Mumbai. Can you speak Marathi? तुझं नाव काय आहे is the only thing I know. माझं नाव आहे is the only thing I know in Marathi. But Marathi also, it's just something when, or maybe I'm just smart. No, I think I understand Marathi as well as Gujarati, but I don't speak very well in Marathi. My best friend is Maharashtrian, and it's so funny because she talks to me 90% in English, 10% in Hindi, and there is this sudden switch of her becoming a Maharashtrian when she's talking to her mom, and I'm just like, who is this girl? Who is this girl who suddenly had this huge switch in her? But I mean, yeah, that's why I've been with her so much that now I understand Marathi, but I don't know how to speak in Marathi. Love from Australia, Sydney. Oh my god, you guys are just like from all over the world, and I'm just feeling like a hero right now. So many people watching me from around the globe. I think this is great. Tell something about Shrishti. Shrishti is my soulmate. Shrishti is my soulmate. Even we are in a long distance best friendship right now. But I miss her so much. I wish I could be there right now to freaking irritate her. But I'm doing that well enough on video calls thanks to technology. But I really miss her, and I think my did I just say bond? My bond with Shrishti is something that I really cannot put into words, because we've just had this connect that we don't stress enough about, because it's just cringy. Like, you know, we are not the kinds who would like show a lot of like affection in public, and we don't even do that in person. Like, you know how girls go like, oh my god, you're my best friend, oh my god, I love you so much, girl. You know, we don't do that. We don't do any of that at all. In fact, we're like boys. We're literally like two boys. But I know, like, since if a third person is asking me like you, I would just be like, she's my best friend and I love her so much. But in person, I sleep like 10 hours a day some days. So yeah. How is your health after vaccine? Good question. I didn't even talk about what happened after the vaccine. The video, this live was about getting ready, but I'm just like yapping. It's okay, fine. I anyway do my makeup in 2 minutes, and we have how many minutes left? We have 28 minutes left. No, sorry. We have 18 minutes left, which is enough. Okay, after vaccine, it's just a one night thing, to be honest. After vaccine, I felt so sick that night because I had high fever. I had all the symptoms. I had high fever. I had body ache. I had a lot of headache, and what else did I have? Just like I felt like I'm dying. Like, I was so sick that one night, to a point that I stuck to my mom like I'm an infant. Like, I didn't let her leave. And the next morning I was not perfectly fine, but I was much better. Like, I felt alive after that one night, and then I just recovered. Like, then the next night was very normal, and then the next day after that was perfectly fine, like nothing at all. Then the arm pain also, it's gone. It's completely gone. Oh shit, it's gone. I didn't even realize when it went, but it's gone. And it was paining like crazy, like crazy in a sense that it hurts where, you know, you get the shot, but like not like unbearable. I would not be able to do this, but I was, you know, like I could do this. Like, I could move my hand above my elbow. Does that make sense? Yeah. And then it's just a one night thing, but that one night is just freaking scary. It's just like, and it's so weird that it's mostly happening to younger people. Like, the vaccine is really badly hitting the younger people. Like, younger people are falling more sick, because my nanny got the vaccine, and she didn't even realize she got something, you know. And my mom got it. She has played TT and come back, and I was just like dead that one night. So I don't know. Priorities are straight for food, of course. When will you start the makeup session? Now is when I start the makeup session. Okay. So you know, makeup with me, it really depends on how I'm feeling mainly. Do I want to like quickly finish it up? Do I like want to get ready? But that getting ready doesn't happen with me because I barely feel like very girly. So yeah, even when I did this whole room up, I thought that I did a mistake, because I literally get ready in front of my bathroom mirror in 2 minutes. Yeah, that's how much time I take to get ready. But now I'm going to show you, if I had to full-fledged get ready, how I would. I don't even have a reason to get ready today, but I'm a self-entertainer only. Okay, so the first thing I think I should do, okay, just by the way, I am not some makeup guru. I don't know how to do makeup. Whatever I'm doing might not be the correct thing to do and might not work for you. Okay, but I will still show you what I do. Okay, so do not judge me. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So I think I should do a little concealer. I'm looking like a anda. then I would just put it like at random places. I barely, like, you know what, I've owned this concealer for 6 months now, and I think I've used this for like the 10th time in my life. Then I would take this brush, okay, and I would just smudge this all around. So I own a lot of like makeup stuff, but I don't use anything. It gets wasted. ऐसे मैं कहीं पे भी लगाती हूँ, okay? So don't judge me. So I don't do foundation. So on a normal day, I would just not do a concealer. But if I'm like stepping out, which I haven't done in a very, very long time, but in case I am, then I would do this concealer situation that I'm doing right now to just, look more put together. See, not this side versus this side. Looks so much better. So ऐसे concealer से फर्क पड़ता है, but on a normal day I wouldn't. So yeah. This is the first time I am doing makeup on camera. And talking also like a girl. So cute. I'm also reading your messages simultaneously. Okay. So then this is done. So this is literally my base. I have a beauty blender and all. Should I use a beauty blender? Let it be. So I would just like smudge it all around. Okay. Surprisingly, I called for this through Shrishti when she was coming back to India, and I just guessed my shade. I didn't even know what shade of concealer would I, use, but I just guessed it. There were like 50 shades. Out of that, I guessed one, and it's apparently perfect, as you can see. So sometimes it's, I leave some places on my face also and it looks a little uneven, but I'm like, it's okay, man. Who's looking at me like this? So that's why, I'm the wrong person to give makeup advice, but whatever works for me. So even for every shoot, like yesterday I did an ad shoot, I don't like to call like a makeup person, because a makeup person, what they do is they put a lot of makeup on my face and I just start looking very funny and not myself then. Okay, now this is the Fenty Beauty contouring. So I put this here, little bit here, okay, and then that's it, and then I shut it. Then I use this brush. I own a lot of brushes, by the way, but I only use 3, not even 3, 2. So this is what I did. Okay, now all of this I would, the creamy part, like the base, like the concealer and all, and this creamy concealer and all of that I would use when I'm like in a mood to like do makeup. Otherwise everything is powder with me, like powder blush, powder contouring, powder compact and all of that, Now I will layer all of this with powder stuff. So yeah. So now here goes my... By the way, I've prepped my skin by putting a moisturizer. I didn't put sunscreen, but you should always put sunscreen on your face. Always. Even if you're doing nothing and sitting at home. Should I use this light also? Oh no, too bright. Okay. So now that this is... Should I put you guys here? Better? Okay, whatever. So now that this is done, I'll have to put you guys over. Sorry guys. Now it's time to do blush on. Okay, this is just my order of things. Also, I was a makeup artist. Okay, so the reason I don't call a makeup artist is because they do it very properly and they judge me on doing my makeup not properly. But I honestly think not proper still looks better on me, rather than putting like a whole face of makeup and looking reels, the freaking black hole that I dive into every day. Literally, I dive into the black hole every day. They said that if you want your, on a reel I saw that this person says that if you want your face to look a little uplifted, you should put your blush on here, which I've never tried. I always put my blush on here. Okay, I also put some. This is how I do my makeup. But the person said that you have to put it here, if I'm not wrong. So I'm putting it here. Okay. Makeup advice, but I'm just sharing what I do. Okay. Now, अब इसके लिए कौन सा brush? Maybe this one. Today I'm using many brushes, otherwise I don't. Okay. Then just like blend it in. Yeah, looks fine to me. What do you think? Why are you wearing a woolen sweatshirt in Mumbai? No, it's not very warm and I have AC in, and the AC is on, that's why. Sorry, I'm reading messages. No, I was not wearing makeup before I started the video. I'm wearing makeup now. Okay, so now this is also blended. Also, you should blend it really well. I don't blend it really well because I'm very lazy, so I just do whatever makes sense to me. Okay, now I would put compact. Okay, now हो सकता है that this could be wrong, but I do this. Okay, bear with me. Now I will put little bit compact on my, oh no, wait, highlighter also. I don't put highlighter, but since I'm showing a proper makeup tutorial, I will put a highlighter. This is my highlighter. This is a fan brush. Little bit. Okay, now that is also done, I will top it up with some compact. Okay, little bit, not much, little bit. Alright, now that is also done. I will do the more powder stuff, which is your contouring powder. I have a few here. I think I'll use this one today. This is from MAC. So this is what I do when I'm in jaldi. Just this and the powder blush on. Okay. Little bit to give the face a shape, but contouring looks so funny on me because I forget to blend it at times and it just looks like brown on like various wrong places of my face. And it just looks too funny then. Okay, now I'll do with the same brush because I'm disgusting and stupid. I will do blush on, okay? On wherever I think I like it, which is literally my whole face. I just like this, okay? Sometimes, so I don't do eyeshadow, but I will do eyeshadow for you guys. But on a normal day, I just do this with the same brush. Sometimes I use the contouring powder only, sometimes I use blush on only. Yeah, I'm being honest right now. Judge me as much as you want, but this is all I do. Okay, now I'm gonna do the eyeshadow, a little bit only, so that I don't look like a joker and I don't know how to do eyeshadow. Alright, I'm taking this brush. This is my eyeshadow palette. Really pretty, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna do a little pink only. I think that's it. So what I'm scared of is like doing too much, you know. So I think very little bit is what I like. More fluff, more brush. Yeah. What do you guys think? I kind of like it today. Do you think I'm doing a good job? Because the result is not bad. So yeah, I mean, yeah, this is it. And now I'll do liner, which I really hate, and I suck at doing a liner, but I'll try. On some days I also put kajal, but today I don't feel like putting kajal, it'll be too much. Where is the liner? Too much mess. Okay, yeah, I can also do this. So this is a lip plumper basically, also lip gloss, which gives a little plump to my lips. Okay. So I'm gonna use this before because did I forget to do my eyebrows? Yeah, I did. I'll do my eyebrows also. This is how I remember stuff, and that's why my makeup is never in a sequence. It's always all over the place. Now where is my... Okay, oh, it's right. So for the eyebrows, I just like to kind of brush it through, and a little bit I like to fill it, little bit. Okay. That's it. And I'll brush it through again. I had a phase where I used to do like really dark brown eyebrows, and I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was thinking that I'm too cool, but I looked like some... I don't even know what. Okay, time to do liner, but I really suck at liner. I have many liners, but I've never been able to do like a proper liner, but chalo, I'll try. I'll only do the wing. This is it. That's it. I don't want to do more. Otherwise I'll look funny, you know. Fuck, I screwed this up. Shit. I screwed up a little bit. So liner is something that I'm really scared about, and that's why I don't do it on a daily basis, because I just feel scared that I'll screw it up. Okay, one side is done. On a normal day, I just finish my makeup in 2 minutes. Today I'm taking time. Okay, yeah. Liner's done. Little bit mascara I'll do. Okay. Mascara. Little bit. I don't like too much mascara also. Alright. Okay. Oh my god, I'm missing out on many messages. Okay, now I'm gonna do... So as I said, I get whatever I get, I do it with lipstick. Then at the lip liner only I kind of go... I'm just like, oh shit. do it correctly? I'm literally looking at you guys and doing my makeup today. And the last and final step, which is my favorite step, but I don't know if it does anything, is the setting spray. I just like to do it, and then I just fan my makeup with my hand, and that's it. That is it. That is all I do. Yeah. Do you guys like it? Kind of like it. I'll vibe with it. Okay, it's already been 30 minutes. I have to go. But let me just take in a few more questions. And now you're ready, looking all pretty to sit in front of Netflix in style. Yes, that's my plan. You don't need makeup. See, I honestly, it's never about liking makeup or not. Like, it's your choice, you know. And the reason I don't do makeup is because makeup doesn't look good on me. Like, a lot of makeup doesn't look good on me, and I also don't know how to do makeup. If I did it correctly, maybe I would really like it. But yeah, but makeup to each its own. Okay, thank you guys. DIY makeup process is rare. It's cool to see you don't exactly have a process set, and this is fun to watch. Thank you. I was so nervous because I really have my makeup routine which is all over the place, so I was very nervous to show it to all of you. What is the secret of your flawless skin? Yeah, I have no secrets. I have also had many bad skin days earlier when I was in LA because weather change and all of that, and with age it happens, you know. But touch wood, it's not given me that big of a tough time, but skin has really also been a problem with me sometimes. But I think my only tip can be just do not stress a lot. It's very, very important for your skin also, because it shows if you're stressing about something in your head, which I know, you know, sometimes it's not in your control, but just try not to stress. Just try to be happy as much as you can. It'll show on your face will glow. Not that I'm happy all the time, but I'm just giving you a tip. And yeah, just drink a lot of water. Just the basic advice that I think you already know. What is your eye color? It's green. Aryan Desai. Oh my! Did you just say with age? What did I say with age? My favorite face wash and moisturizer. I have many face washes. I just use anything, any day, anytime, whatever I feel like. Favorite moisturizer, again, I just use anything. There's not a set one. Earlier I had like a set one, but now I just use anything. House store कब आएगा यार? I don't know. I really don't know, because अभी आधा सामान तो थोड़ा all over the place लग रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि कुछ सेट नहीं लग रहा मेरा रूम. बाकी सब सेट है, but my room is not set. I'm still waiting on a few things to come in, but because of the pandemic, I haven't been able to receive them. Guys, it's been 35 minutes now. I think I should take your leave. And it was super fun. Thank you for sitting through my makeup routine, which was all over the place. But